guys, welcome back. Today I will be building this 120 scale kit from Hasegawa. The MechatroWeGo crossover with Evangelion Asuka Langley. The MechatroWeGo is a single-seated mechatrobot designed for children living in mountain regions and also as attractions in amusement park. This collaboration redesigned Asuka as an elementary school girl, a Nichijou character, and WeGo in Nigouki color with the power arms. There isn't too many runners for the kit. They have some color separation, but I will be painting everything, especially the red. I want it glossy. Then we have the Asuka resin figure that requires some cleanup. I'm removing some extra molding plastic here and getting rid of some seam lines. And because this is made out of resin, so I have washed it a few times before applying primer, just to make sure the paint stay on. I think it's way easier hand painting the figure with acrylic paint than masking and airbrushing. I've painted the WeGo and Asuka by following this color guide from the menu. I'm adding different shade of orange for the hair color to create some shadow and highlights. Now I'm gluing the hair and bands on the figure, and I have to fill up the gap with some putty. I know I could have done better with the brush marks. It's quite noticeable. What you think? Then I added a clear red coating on the red parts for more glossiness, and then another clear coating after applying water decals. I'm using my favorite 0.5 Metworks airbrush here. It was such a challenge to apply those water decals onto the robot because of the round surface. Now it reminds me of years ago when I tried to get someone to wrap my car hood, and I was told that it requires a lot more work to wrap a Mini Cooper because it was so much rounder than regular car. And now I totally get it. Your liking and sharing really help me keep this channel running. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. See you next time.